still spending hours building email funnels that barely work. What if I told you there's a tool that automates all that with zero coding, and it's 93% off for life? Meet Encharge, the all-in-one email marketing automation platform that helps you build, send, and automate emails without writing a single line of code. And design beautiful emails in minutes using their drag-and-drop editor. Add your brand colors, custom fonts, images, and boom, you're done. 100% mobile ready. Automate anything. Onboarding flows, lead nurturing, upsells, and even internal CRM actions. Visually map out customer journeys and let Encharge do the heavy lifting. Segment users based on their behavior, email engagement, or data from your website, Stripe, CRM, or even Calendly. The right message to the right user every time. Send email broadcasts or one-off campaigns and use built-in A/B testing to nail your subject lines and boost open rates like a pro. Over 50 integrations, including Facebook ads, Stripe, Zapier, and more, connect your entire marketing stack in just a few clicks. $1,068? Forget that. Right now, it's just $109. Lifetime access. No monthly fees. Ever. Check the link in the description to grab the deal. Don't let email marketing slow you down. Try Encharge today, and finally focus on growing your business. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing lifetime tools every week.